I'm the second Heiko. My name is Yuri van Bergen. I'm the director of Bouwhulpgroep. And I will present here next to our partners, Dutch partners, Jaeger, sitting next to me, and ISO from Rotterdam. So we have a lot of challenges in Holland within deep renovation, but the main challenges are that we have an urgent lack of 38,000 technical skilled people who actually want to work at their homes. And at the other hand, we have this pace of almost 1,000 dwellings a day that have to be renovated. But the road for all these households to actually have a consistent plan for the renovation is too long. So how do we approach these challenges is by creating a Dutch ReLab. Before we heard about Save the Home, where's the physical hub with people in the area. In this case, it's more the digital version from it. And it gives support to all the households, but also the professionals and the technical skilled people working in the area. And how do we do that? We do that with 4 different tools. On the left top you see a game that's developed by ISO and Jaeger, I believe. That can be played by people and professionals to create awareness and to understand better about their role and impact in the process. On the right, on the top, there's an instrument we Bouwhulp developed together with Jaeger in sense of quality control. So we created this family of all these different sensors that actually can be mailed to people at home, and so they can check their quality of their climate inside for their own. On the left bottom, there's a web application we developed as Bouwhulp to speed up the onboarding and design phase. So it's an application where everybody can, based on data and proven solution, can create their own renovation roadmap as a point as do I know what's possible on my dwelling and how does these solutions look like and what do they cost and what are the benefits so getting up to an actual design. And right on the bottom you see the Build Up Skills app created by ISO, where actually technical specialists can be trained online during the app for measurements they run up to while renovating a house. And if they are lack of knowledge or doesn't know how the quality can be secured, the app provides it at them live. So we learned a lot in the last years, but one of the biggest challenge for this digital ReLab, Dutch ReLab, is the visibility in a very fragmented market. There are a lot of solutions and everybody delivers a solution, but it's for a lot of different customers and questions. And the other part is how we can let the Dutch ReLab grow, because we're in need of investments, but at the other hand, we're not that visible, so there's a challenge. And another big thing we discovered is that, as Peter addressed in the beginning, that every country has its own challenges and has their own solutions. Within the country, every region has its own culture and also have their own challenges. So we think it's very important to create a regional problem owner, and it's not the municipal, so it's something above the municipal where perhaps a couple of municipalities are co-creating or something, but there is still a gap between the national policy and the policy of the municipal. So that will be for our next project, I think.
Okay, thank you so much, Yuri. We quickly go to the next pilot location, and that's Slovenia. Jure.